So I'm going to show you sound of this one. So that's how that one sounds. And there's a bedroom above here, so when we leave early in the morning, it wakes up the kids. So we're going to try to put a Belgian one, which is supposed to be a whole lot quieter. So here's the before. And I'll let you know to see the after when we start changing it. So this is the setup I got coming along here. What I'm going to do is unhook that garage door opener, set it down on top of that step ladder, rest it there, unhook the back over here, and take it all down. When you take the stuff apart, always take a picture of what it looks like. Or mark it down so you know how it goes back together. This one doesn't really matter because I'm going to replace it with a new one. But it's always good to know. So before you unhook the motor part, you got to unhook this here. Okay. You take these bolts off here and here, then it all should drop. Right now it won't drop because it's putting all the pressure on this arm. I'll show you. So change of plans. I'm going to take this down here first here. So all it is here is a kind of like a pin with like a keychain. Roll around, so it pops up. Shake it a little bit. Okay, now if you off, set it down right here, fold it onto the spring. Should be okay there. And now we're going to go up here and take it off from here. And here we are. It's down on the floor, out from the roof. Sorry for the heavy breathing, I'm working on that. And I'm going to put the old one, the new one, together. And then show you how to put it up. So here's the garage door opener out of the box. All the stuff. This has a backup battery, which is cool. So if the power goes out, you still can open and close your garage door. It's bell driven. Comes with the pad to open the garage door on the side. Comes with a keypad, which you can close and open your garage door with your phone anywhere. It gives you a warning if you left your garage door open. Handles. There's the arm, the hangers. I didn't think they came with it, but they're stuffed inside one of these pipes. So there you go. Comes with everything you need to put it up. I'm going to assemble it together, put all the stuff together, and I'll let you know how it goes. Okay, here we are. I got most of it put together here. This ends click all together. There's a part for the end, which has a pulley on it. It goes down and swings around here. It comes here. Okay. You have this here, so this doesn't slide up. The pulley, the belt hooks into here, goes all the way around, goes over here. There's a little link. Take the link off. It comes with the link. These little links are easy to put in. So you slide it through here. There's a plate behind here. This plate right here. See it? That goes on first. And then this comes off. This goes in the front. What you do is this is open over here on this side. You slide it on this side, let it clip on, bring it up. Let this bottom part click in the bottom and just drag the top over the top of it. I've done that lots of times. That's the easiest way for me to do it. So this thing here, you hand tight this spring. Well, first of all, this comes screwed onto the shaft. What you have to do is take it off the shaft, slide the shaft through this little plate here, make sure the flat part is facing you, and then thread it back on. This little spring plate here is going to be over here. Once you thread it back on, you put a screwdriver on this little hole. You get a 1/2 inch wrench over here. You turn it a little bit. This little plate pops off where it's holding on to and slides back, which makes it the tension on the spring, tension on the conveyor belt, or the belt, or whatever you want to call it. Okie dokie. But make sure you have this facing out. I had it facing in. I had to take it all apart again and do it again. So just giving you a heads up. Okay, and then these 2 bolts here come on it. You just take these off, screw this little plate on. And then this bolt nut here goes onto here. This prevents the track going all the way back and hitting the garage door opener. This garage door opener works on Wi-Fi and everything. It's pretty cool. I bought it at Canadian Tire. It was on sale. If you guys don't know what Canadian Tire is, Google it. And maybe they'll have one around your area at the store where you guys can pick one up. Alrighty. It's all assembled. Now I'm going to put it on top of my ladders and try to do it without falling off the ladder. I also put this little cap on with 3 of those screws. Those screws are hard to put in, but they go in eventually. Just a reminder. I put this on years ago. I don't remember how to take it off. That whole face pops off. This whole comes off. And there's a screw here. Need that screw out, sorry. There you go. Comes off of there. It pops up. And there she goes. So, she is. She's up there. The stupid builder built too far for the cord to reach. So I put extension cord on top there. But here's what it is. I'll make that more prettier after. So I used old brackets. They were there in the garage before. And then pin it to there. This is more or less the same as the other one. There's the up and down button. So you have to hold that black button in the middle until the top flashes. Then it knows it's up, and then you press the bottom button to bring it back down, because when you put it together, it's going to be right here somewhere. And don't forget to pull the screwdriver or the Allen key you have there holding it together out, because it'll just jam up. Then you bring it down manually to the end of the garage door, and then you bolt your brackets together there like that. Okie dokie. Okay. Here is the controller. You press this, save your clock, TC, lock display, program time and weather, temperature, and all that stuff. Figure it out when you do it. This is a sensor. It tells you how long to open and close the light. It tells you the temperature. You can change it to Celsius or Fahrenheit. This is the status of your battery. In there, inside there's a battery that will let your garage door open and close when it's has no power. So let's hear it. And open. It's a lot quieter. Okay. Close. I think it's a lot quieter. And here is your time, your temperature, your battery status. The light turns on and on by itself, on and off by itself. You can turn the light off and on there. Inside there's a battery that, so if there's no power, you still can open and close your garage door. It's not something you don't miss until you have no power and you leave your garage door open. It's happened to me before. So yeah, this tells you the status of your battery, time, temperature of your garage. Pretty happy with it. And then this hooks up to your, you hook up to the app, and it tells you if your garage doors are open or closed, and it helps you, and you can close and open from anywhere. Alright, I hope this was helpful. And if you have any questions, let me know. Be careful, be safe, and have fun. Take it easy. Bye-bye.